you have a bank account in another country, maybe in Mexico, Canada, or even in Europe? Here's the scary part. If your accounts ever add up to more than $10,000 in the aggregate, even for one day, you may need to file an FBAR. Skip it, and the IRS can hit you with huge penalties. So let's break this down and show you how to stay safe. Hi, I'm Randall Brody from Tax Samaritan. I help U.S. expats avoid tax trouble. Today we'll talk about the FBAR, what it means, the risks of missing it, and how to avoid penalties. An FBAR, or Foreign Bank Account Report, tells the U.S. government about your money in accounts outside the U.S. If your total accounts go over $10,000 in the aggregate at any point during the calendar year, you need to file, even if you didn't earn income from these amounts. Here's a quick story. John lives in Mexico and keeps savings in BBVA and Santander. In July, his combined balance hit $12,000. By December, it dropped to $8,000. Guess what? John still needs to file an FBAR because his balance crossed the $10,000 mark, even for just one day in July. Now let's talk about how it can bite you. If you have non-willful mistakes, if you didn't know, the penalties can cost up to $10,000 per account. If there's a willful violation, if the IRS thinks you intentionally ignored the rules, it can reach up to 50% of your account balance or even jail time. Yes, that's extreme, but that's why expats fear FBAR penalties. It's not pocket change. Here's the good news. You can avoid all this by filing your FBAR on time every year. The deadline is April 15th, although there is an automatic extension currently to October 15th. You want to make sure you keep simple records, your bank statements with the account number, the bank name, the max balance, and working with a tax pro so you don't miss any details and that your FBAR is filed accurately and completely. Does the FBAR get filed with my tax return? No, it's filed separately online to FinCEN. What if I already missed filing? File as soon as possible. The IRS often goes easier on people who fix the problem before they're caught. Contact us if you need help with getting caught up with your delinquent FBARs. Do all expats need to file? Only if your foreign accounts ever total over $10,000 in the aggregate at any point during the calendar year. Here's the bottom line. FBAR mistakes can drain your wallet fast. Don't let that happen. At Tax Samaritan, we help expats just like you make sure the FBAR is filed correctly, avoiding penalties, and sleeping better at night. Click the link below to get your free expat tax quote and book a 30-minute consultation. Don't wait until the IRS comes knocking. Fix it now and protect your money.